Hey guys, welcome to a random corner of my living room. As you guys can tell already, today is not a normal DIY video again. I did have one planned, but it just didn't work out. I need some more time to troubleshoot some stuff that went wrong, so I couldn't put that out today. So as you guys know, with the move and everything, I kind of have depleted my cache of videos that I had already filmed. So I have like nothing. I was already planning on doing a craft room / studio tour after I had unpacked everything, but I figured I could do one now, even though I still am in the middle of unpacking stuff. I thought that some of you guys might like to see that, and also that means that I don't have to skip putting a video out today. I wasn't planning on doing this studio tour yet, so it's still a bit crazy in there. I actually am not even sure like the state of the room right now. It's probably pretty messy. So this should be fun. So yeah, let's go check it out. All right, here's the door. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I switched the audio just to make it easier. There's our new computer desk back there. I haven't put it together yet. I was actually going to do that today, but my video fell through, so now I'm doing this. Here we go, into the craft studio room thing. Oh my gosh, it's a mess. So here we go. Wow, look at that mess. Okay, I guess I'll just go through like each corner of the room or whatever. That's the canvas that I redid the other day. Ready for paint. Ugh. Let me take you guys in closer. So you can see there, Uni is modeling my flat file for me. I put some cushions on it so that you can like sit on it and relax. That's pretty cool, huh, Boo? Okay. So I'm probably just gonna get some pillows and throw them up here, and it'll be just kind of a nice little quiet, relaxing spot that I can sit and draw or edit or whatever I need to do. I have this curtain from my old studio. It's I don't think I made a DIY video on this, but I made this, well, I printed on it little raindrops. So it's like a white on white kind of thing. I'm probably gonna hang this here, either in the corner to make a little dreamy area over here, or on my window. As you can see, there's no window treatment on it, and my neighbors can see into the craft room, and they're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing right now. But yeah, bonus Jackie De Leon print over there. One of her witch girls. So that's that corner. I love my freaking flat file. Can you even see? This thing is amazing. I love it. Anyway, on to the next corner of the room. There's a closet and it's halfway full of more boxes of stuff. I have this, if you guys remember when I made this costume. This is the costume, and then I have the like little rack to put it on. I obviously haven't put it up yet, but eventually I will. Let me see if I can get you in a better spot. Yeah, so over here is like all the boxes and crap. Behind this stuff you can kind of see. It's just a bunch of boxes, and after I get that all unpacked, that's gonna be like my painting area. My husband actually surprised me and bought me a really badass easel. Well, I'll insert a clip right here where you guys can see it. It's freaking awesome, I love it. But I'm gonna put that here, and that's all that's gonna go on that wall. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, so over here is like my workbench with a bunch of boxes again, and an uni up there. And if you can tell, right here is my fish tank. I haven't set it back up yet. That's on my list of things to do. If you guys remember, I've done a few videos doing stuff with that fish tank. It's kind of not been doing the best, so I'm starting it from basically the bottom up again. So hopefully I can make it work. I actually haven't really put it together yet because I want to put it in our office. I don't really, like, I do a lot of banging on this table, like hammering and stuff, and I use really like smelly stuff like E6000 and different kinds of paints and stuff, solvents. And like for me, I have the window now that I can open and like clear it out, but I'm sure that's not good for a fish and if it's like on the desk. So I'm trying to find a little table or stand or whatever that I could like put the fish tank on for the office. And then once I get that, I'm moving that into the other room and setting it back up. But yeah, my desk is a mess, as you can see. I was not ready for this video. I kind of just like dumped a box of like random trinkets and stuff. Like I was looking for something and I just like dumped the box onto that. So that's why there's like random stuff. There's a whole bunch of like random projects and stuff, which is cool. So like this little guy that I made. There's this, my little Totoro that I made. I sculpted this a while ago. It's pretty broken. His little leg is dangling off. And he used to have horns and ears that fell off as well. This was like a random thing that I wanted to do. A few years ago actually. I've had this like for a long time. I don't know why I haven't really done anything with it. But I just kind of drag it around with me now. I have this little cat dish thing, and then this string art that I made. I guess I'm being kind of redundant saying that I made because obviously. I also have this. I saw these online gifoscopes or whatever. It's just like I printed out a gif of Hobbs and it animates it. Oh shit. This was a little like rough concept that I made. It's like in cardboard and stuff, so it doesn't work like the best. So here. So yeah, I considered making a DIY of this, but just trying to think about how to explain how to like set up the images hurts my head. I mean, I did this a while ago, so like I'd have to figure out what I even did because I don't remember. And then on top of that, I would have to explain it, which I feel like would be kind of difficult. But it would be a fun DIY. Maybe I'll try to look into this one again. But yeah, so that side of the room definitely needs to get picked up, organized, unpacked, just like everything else in this room. And actually, that's pretty much all that there is to this room. It's kind of a small room. Our plan is to build a new space in our backyard, but we're not going to do that for like probably a year or two just because of cost. It's going to be really expensive. We want to make it into like a studio slash like wood shop slash like mother-in-law suite, which is like really intense. So yeah, we have to like work on what the heck we want to do. We haven't put anything up on the walls. Obviously I want to do that eventually. I want to put artwork up, stuff that inspires me. I want to put up like random like DIY stuff that I've done in here. Yeah, I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all of this crap first. So that's pretty much it for my studio tour. It's kind of a mess. I debated on if I actually did want to do this right now because I knew it was a pretty big mess, just because I haven't had the time to go through and unpack this room yet. But since I did do it, now I definitely have to do a follow-up. So you guys can hold me accountable for that, because at my last place, I kept telling you guys I was going to do a studio tour and I just never did. I was never happy with the old space, so I just never made a video, and then it turned out that we had to move before I could ever become happy with that space. Hopefully, in a few months, I can do an update and show you guys a way better studio. Hey! Uni is just getting into everything, so I'm gonna stop the video now and get a hold of my cat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's different than my usual DIY stuff. If you did like it, then please leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestions on what to do to this space, I know it's kind of small, so I can barely even fit what I want to do in here, like with the painting area and like my like crafting workstation thing. But yeah, you can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Twitch, and I'll leave the information to all of those down below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you're interested in becoming a patron, I'll leave a link to mine right up here and you can go check it out. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next week.